Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to paint Gerberas using watercolors. I've downloaded this image from Pixabay free images. The link for the image can be found in the description below. Firstly, I will tell you about the materials I've used. I've used Winsor & Newton Quatman watercolors, white gouache, synthetic round brushes from Bohemia and Winsor & Newton, and A4 size Canson XL cotton paper 300 GSM. I've also used Winsor & Newton art masking fluid for this tutorial. The link for all the materials I've used can be found in the description below. This is my reference picture. I will begin by drawing a rough outline of the flowers. So my sketch is now complete, and I'm now using art masking fluid to mask the edges of the flowers because I want them crisp and defined when I'm laying down the background colors. As my flowers in the background are meant to be slightly blurry, I haven't masked the edges of those. Now I mix some background color. Okay, I've just dropped in some lemon yellow color on the background, and now I'm adding sap green as well while the paint is still wet. I'm using size 12 brush for this exercise. Now I'm using permanent rose mix to paint the flowers in the background, and I'm also adding a bit darker tone, which is a mix of alizarin crimson hue and permanent rose. As you can see, the background is still wet and I'm just letting the color bleed into the background. I'm now mixing in some more colors before starting the flower in the foreground. I'll be using permanent rose and alizarin crimson hue. I'm also creating a diluted mix of burnt sienna and alizarin crimson, and I would also require sepia color. So it's always a good idea to swatch your colors before you start putting in the details. So started off with painting the center of the flower using cadmium yellow and a bit of gold ochre. I'm working wet on dry now on the petals. I'm making sure that I leave the ones just right adjacent to the petals and working petal by petal, giving them more definition. So as you can see, I have worked on all the petals now, and now I'm adding in a bit more details to the petals. I'm adding in some sepia color to create some dark shadows on the stems. As you can see, again, I'm using a mix of Hooker's green and burnt sienna to paint these stems. I'm using a hint of Payne's Grey to paint some shadows on the glass vase. I've now created a brighter mix of alizarin crimson and permanent rose, and I'm adding some finishing touches to the flower in the foreground. So the more layers you add, the more vibrant your flower will be. You have to make sure the layers that have been painted earlier are completely dry before you start with the next layer. So there's also a hint of cadmium red in this one. So it adds to the brightness of the flower. I'm going to add the same color to the other flowers as well, because I just thought that the flowers look slightly dull. So I'm using my brush dipped in clean water to just create an effect of additional petals. Okay, my painting is nearly complete. We're going to start working in the center of the flower now. I'm using sepia color to create the impression of stamen. I'm just painting in very thin line using my size 1 Winsor & Newton brush. I'm now using white gouache to add in a bit highlights on the petals. So gouache is basically opaque watercolor. I'm just kind of spreading it out and making it smooth. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you've enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to watch more videos. Bye!